Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Morega English Academy and I am Risha. If you like our video, please do like and do subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon for new video notification. So good afternoon to all. I hope you all are fine. So today on 3rd June of 2020, I am going to take your science class of class 5. Okay. So let's start. So what we are studying in previous class, we are studying lesson 2, right? Health and hygiene. Okay. So in previous class we already studied up to benefits of exercise, right? So today we will study from routine medical checkup. Okay. So listen. Visit your doctor regularly and get your height and weight checked. You must also visit a dentist regularly and get your teeth checked. The dentist will help you to take care of your teeth. Next is diseases. Disease is a state of unhealthy conditions of the body in which one or more parts are affected and the body does not function normally. Diseases are categorized broadly into two types, and these are what? Diseases are categorized into two types. Okay? Number one, non-communicable and number two, communicable. Okay? So number one, non-communicable diseases. Diseases which do not spread from one person to another are known as non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases can occur because of several reasons. Lack of healthy food, lack or deficiency of nutrients like vitamins and minerals in the food causes deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases can be prevented or cured by taking a proper diet. The following tables show the effects of the deficiency of different vitamins and minerals and the foods which are rich sources of these nutrients. Okay, so look at this table, page number 70. Read this table. Vitamin A, diseases caused by deficiency, night blindness, and source of food, leafy vegetables, carrot, tomato, pumpkin, mango, milk, fish and duck. Okay. Due to shortage of vitamin A, deficiency caused by disease caused by deficiency is night blindness. Okay. So we should eat leafy vegetables, carrot, tomato, pumpkin, mango, milk, fish and egg. Okay. Due to shortage of vitamin B, disease caused by this deficiency is beriberi. Okay. Beriberi, and we should eat potato, bean, lentil, banana and meat. Okay. Due to shortage of vitamin C, disease caused by deficiency is rickets. And we should eat citrus fruits like orange and lemon, guava, papaya, tomato, carrot, potato, cabbage and spinach. Due to shortage of vitamin D, disease caused by deficiency is this is scurvy. Okay, scurvy, and this is ricket. Okay, so we should eat fish liver oil, eggs, milk and milk products, exposure to sunshine. Okay, due to shortage of vitamin K, disease by deficiency is increase in blood clotting time, increase in protein time. Okay, so we should eat egg, cabbage, cucumber and broccoli. Table 2. Now look at this table. Page number is 18. Table 2. Deficiency of minerals. Okay. So due to shortage of iodine, disease caused by deficiency is goiter, and we should eat iodized salt and seafood. Due to shortage of iron, disease caused by deficiency is anemia, and we should eat green leafy vegetables, beans, brinjal, jaggery, liver and fish. Due to shortage of calcium, we should disease caused by deficiency is affects bones and teeth formation, and we should eat dairy products, nuts and seeds. Okay, so next is unhealthy lifestyle. Many non-communicable diseases like heart diseases, abnormal blood pressure, lung diseases, cancer, diabetes, etc. are caused because of unhealthy habits like smoking, drinking alcohol, unhealthy diet, physical inactivity and environmental pollution. Overeating and frequent eating of fatty or oily foods can lead to accumulation of extra fat in the body and cause overweight conditions. In many cases, the increase in weight is so high that it causes health problems. This condition is known as obesity. People who are obese may suffer from heart problems, breathing problems, diabetes, certain types of cancer and joint pain. Next is allergy. Some people react negatively to certain things they eat, breathe or touch. For example, some people sneeze a lot when exposed to dust. This condition is known as allergy. People may be allergic to different conditions of temperature, food, chemicals, medicines and insect stings. Allergic conditions may cause sneezing, runny nose, rashes on the skin, itching, vomiting, diarrhea, etc. Next is birth-related disease and disorders. Sometimes certain diseases develop even before the birth of a child. For example, many children are born with a defective heart. Some are born with club foot or cleft lips. Next is communicable disease. Okay, so do you know what is communicable disease? So listen, diseases which can spread from one person to another is known as communicable disease. There are teeny living organisms present everywhere, in the air, in water, in soil, in food and also inside the bodies of animals. We cannot see them with our bare eyes. They can be seen only through a microscope. So they are called microbes. Some of these microbes cause communicable diseases. These disease causing microbes are called germs. The main types of germs are bacteria, protozoa, fungi and virus. So bacteria can cause disease like typhoid, tuberculosis and meningitis. So bacteria causes disease like typhoid, tuberculosis, which is TB, okay, and meningitis. And protozoa can cause diseases like malaria and dysentery.